Do you know where the attachments are that came with your vacuum cleaner? If you don't, then you're missing out on making the most of your machine, because vacuum cleaners aren't just for use on the floors. I'm going to show you a few different ideas for using your vacuum cleaner that should help make cleaning a lot quicker and a lot easier. Let me show you. Here's some common tools that come with your vacuum cleaner: your crevice tool for tight corners, your upholstery brush, and you've got your soft dusting brushes. All of these tools are really useful in the laundry because, of course, there's so much dust and fluff in there caused by the dryer. You can see I'm using the soft brush to clean those artificial flowers, plus also to clean up the windowsill and the fly screens and all that spilt laundry powder that I have on that mat that's covering the washing machine. You can then put that crevice tool in and clean. Just give those filter areas in the dryer a much better clean. Vacuum cleaners plus attachments are excellent for dusting and make the job really quick. First I used that upholstery brush to do the ornamental mat, and then I changed over to the soft dusting attachment so that I could do all my photo frames and underneath the photo frames. Look, you can see it had been quite a bit of time since I'd done it. We've got real dirt in our house. This is my motivation for the videos. But anyway, you can just, you had another vacuum cleaner that I used to clean all that dust off, or I'll show you another way shortly. Just keep going with that. If you don't have a second vacuum cleaner, you can just detach the brush and then just suck up all that dust that accumulates on the end. It's really quick and easy to completely remove cobwebs and insects from ceilings with your vacuum cleaner, either by using the soft attachment or the crevice tool. Then you can actually put on the upholstery brush and clean blinds and curtains. It just really gets rid of all that dust because, of course, doorways are dusty places. In this spot here, our cat Lara always goes in between these two blinds in order to go out the door. And so she always leaves great wads of hair on those spots. But you can see it just comes off so quickly by using the upholstery brush and the vacuum cleaner. I then changed over the attachments to really get into dust those tracks of the wardrobe and the tracks of the windows, because of course if they accumulate with dirt they become difficult to open and close. It's just an easy form of maintenance. So in there I then swapped back over to get those more cobwebs and really get in there. It's just so quick and easy. It's like you start cleaning one area and then you can just quickly get other things because you're not looking down just at the floors. Right, so back outside here, our cat again, she likes to sleep out here and lick herself, and then we've got hair all over the place and people can't use it. But you can see how quick and easy it is to get rid of that. I used two different types of upholstery tools and they both worked very well. I just wanted to compare them, but yeah, they were both really good and made the job so quick. You can see it just all comes up like new. So, you know, how else would you clean this without your vacuum cleaner? You can dust it and shake it, but by getting rid of it, you're just sucking it all up and it's not then contaminating the air. But you can see it's all come up beautifully nice and new because you're using these attachments.